Hi everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are talking about my wardrobe declutter. So well, I have been decluttered my wardrobe before, and I have just moved around 1 year ago, so I don't have so many things to be decluttered. So you can see the left side is my husband's wardrobe and the right side is mine. So before I declutter, I will put on my headphone and then start Korean drama to be entertained. And this is a normal work day night. The little one is sleeping now already. So, and then first I'm going to declutter the underwear and also the tights. I have so many black tights that I'm going to declutter some. Some have been already quite old. And now I'm trying to pick out and try to feel which one I don't want to keep it anymore, or which one I don't spark joy anymore. If you also have read about the book of Konmari method, so I have tried to follow that method sometimes, but it's difficult to like declutter category by category. Like you separate different categories and you put everything in the same place. It's kind of challenging for me. And now I'm decluttering my trousers. Actually, all of my trousers are there, even summer shorts and then gym tights, things like that. And then I will get rid of one of that. And in this part, I have all of my gym underwears. Well, I have many because yeah, you need to have something to be changed, right? Yeah, so I have been trying to find out which one I don't want, and then the second one is the underwears, and I try to pick out those ones don't feel so comfortable. So I only leave those that I really like and that is or that are very comfortable. Okay, then moving on to my socks. I have so many socks. I love socks, especially in winter. I love to have these thick socks and have different kind of patterns and colorful socks. I used to have so many black socks, and now I just want to have something colorful and special. And then now I also have the dream socks or sport socks, and then also the wool socks. When you live in Finland, it's so essential you have some wool socks, you have wool trousers, things like that. Wool is your friend when you live in the north. And then I also check out in the bag of my summer socks whether I want to declutter. And then I also check in my laundry bag if I want to declutter something from there. And this is a bag that I keep in our bedroom because there are some clothes that I wear, but I don't wash it right away. So maybe once in a week I would then wash these clothes. Well, I don't know. I think I need to find a place that keep these kind of clothes, so that makes the room more tidier. Please comment down below if you know where you put your clothes that you don't want to wear, but you don't wash it anymore yet. And so here are the things that I have decluttered. So here are some underwears that I wear when I was So that was breastfeeding underwear, so I don't need that anymore. And then I have the tights, like different tights. I don't want them anymore, so it doesn't spark joy to me. Okay, what else? Yeah, that's the tight as well. I have so many tights. And this is brand new trousers that I have never worn before, because I bought it and then I noticed it's too small. Then I think, okay, maybe I will be skinnier, so I will keep it, but then I never become skinnier, and I don't think I will be able to fit in that trousers anymore. So I just get rid of those, and some tops, some summer trousers are wool and top, and then this is like a top. I don't know how to. I used to like that. It's very comfy, but I don't like it anymore. And then there's a tank top, some t-shirts, and there are white t-shirts that I think I accidentally washed them with other colors, but I have bought some kind of magical paper that you can put in the washing machine, and then the white clothes will be white again. So here are the clothes that I hang them up. Those ones I haven't decluttered so much because those are the ones I really like. And then here you can see my closet has already been quite empty. I really like the feeling that it's not so full, and for me it's much more easier to find the clothes I want if it's like that. And then when you check the left side, it's my husband's side, so he has pretty more stuffs than me. Okay, so that's it all for today. So remember to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next videos. I'm going to post the Christmas vlogs from now on, almost every day, I would say. Okay, see you, bye. 今天下雪喽，看得到雪花吗？看到雪花吗？我们要去坐车了。